Oh my gosh, you guys. Um, I can't believe it was only 2 weeks ago that we were sitting in 118 with Kim because the whole world has changed. So I was really bummed. This is the class that makes me really sad because I really enjoy working with you guys, and it's always such a pleasure to go to that class. And we are going to be online from now on, which isn't the same. I'm going to miss you guys, but we are going to see each other in the shell. So I think that even though it's moving to an online forum. Um, the great part is we all know each other, and so I think doing discussion boards and other things are going to be great because you already know each other. It's going to be easy to talk. So I wanted to start by putting up a discussion board. I don't know if you've all done discussion boards. I'm going to walk you through how to do it, but it's just asking you how you're doing. So if you go into discussions right here on the in your shell, you look on discussions. This is the discussion. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on I never come in from this view. You're going to click on your chat board. I don't know if it's going to let me because, yeah. So you're going to click on chat board and you're going to create a thread, and then you're going to answer the questions in the discussion board. So the discussion board, if you go backwards, the questions are what we're talking about right here. So, do you have any issues with being online? Is there any kind of barrier you have as far as internet, or does everyone have a computer that they can use for class? Really important questions. Um, if you do, let me know and I will help you figure that out. If you don't feel comfortable writing it on a discussion board, that answer, because everyone's going to be reading it, my cats are fighting. Um, that's fine. You can just email me, not a big deal. So if you have any issues that you think are going to be problems, even if, I know a few of you have kids, and I understand that knowing that your children are also home, that's going to be a barrier for you. So it's really important that you keep me up to date with what's going on so that I can help you the best that I can. Anything short of coming over and helping with your kids, I can do. Do you have any questions about what's going on at the college? So the college is closed until May 15th. What does that mean to you? If you have questions about that, this is a great place to ask. How are you doing? Do you have enough supplies? Are you using napkins as toilet paper? Like, let us know how you're doing. Maybe if someone's short on resources, we could all pitch in and figure it out. So let us know how we're doing. We're a team here. What are you bringing? What are you binging on television? Is there anything fantastic? I'm going to tell you there's something called Little Fires Everywhere. It's out on Hulu and it is fantastic. It's really good. I really like it. I guess there was a book. I haven't read the book. But it's got Reese Witherspoon in it and Kerry Washington, and it's really good. So there's only been 3 episodes that are dropped, but they're going to drop every Wednesday. So if you haven't seen that yet and you like binging TV, that's something to watch. Um, Anyone else watching anything interesting? You don't have to be watching TV. It's just, I know some people do that as a pastime when they're kind of stuck in the house. Although I bet a lot of you guys are watching cartoons and binging maybe Frozen 2, things like that. Um, let's see. What else can we do? What else would you like to share? Is there anything that you want to talk about? Please update us on what's going on in your life. I know Jalen, I'd love to see pictures from Colorado. Kira, I'm thinking about your kids, you and Shauna. So if anyone has stuff, and Maddie, I'm wondering if you went up to Door County. And I'm hoping that Macy's feeling better. So update us on what's going on with you if you want to. And then, questions. What do you have? Like, are there things you're wondering about? Like, what does shelter in place mean, those kinds of things. Feel free to ask that too. So this discussion board is just a conversation between us. Okay, so it's not, I did put points on it. It's not due until when your first week's work, because you don't have anything due this week at all. So it's not due this week, but it'll be due with your first week's work, which I think is due on like the 13th. No, I think it's due on the 6th of May, because the new week is going to open on Monday. Or I mean on Sunday night at midnight. So your weeks, I should explain that. Your weeks are going to open every Sunday night at midnight, so basically Monday morning, a new week of work is going to open. It will be open from then until the following Monday night at midnight. So that's 8 days. Okay. And in the weekly folder at the top, so when you go in, so let's just look at one of these weeks and I'll show you. When you go in and you open a week, you're going to open the week and it'll be week 10. We'll be starting with the first thing here will say weekly video. Click on the video and I will walk you through everything that you need to do. You guys know, I've never taught this class face to face, let alone online. So I'll be coming up with it as we're doing it. So feel free to give me feedback. Let me know how it's going. Let me know if something's too hard or you feel like it's too much work or if I can simplify it or whatever else you think will be helpful, I will be happy to do. So let's hit this together. We're also going to be talking about things like what we're going to do with Kim's book. I am going to ask you guys to videotape them, yourself reading them when they're due. And I'd like you to turn it in, but we'll have to figure out how to do that. So I might extend the due date a little bit longer just because I know everyone has a ton of other stuff they're doing. So it was originally due, I think on the 1st, but I'm going to extend that deadline a little bit to give you at least an extra week to work on that because you don't have the materials you would have had. I'll do a video on that, but just so you know. Anyway, so weekly folders, go in, watch your video. It'll show you all the work. Feel free to ask me questions. I'm going to be available for you every Tuesday and Thursday afternoon from 1:30 until 3:15, 20. I will be available. That you can call me, you can email me, I can send you a WebEx link. We can have a meeting so you can come in. If you have a computer, we could both go on our computers and I can see you and you can tell me what your questions are, ask me your questions, and then we can talk through whatever we need to. So I just wanted to touch base with everyone. That discussion board is open, and I encourage you to chat with us. Again, you don't have any work due until next week, but I just wanted to let you know that there'll be plenty of explanations. If you need extensions for assignments, because there's a lot going on, do not hesitate to ask. I am happy to give extensions. I'm going to help you succeed. So we're going to do this together. I'm going to miss you, but I'll see you guys next year. In the meantime, I'll see you every week here. So I will talk to you soon. I did not go to Florida, by the way. We canceled our trip for obvious reasons. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.